Hey guys, so today I am going to be talking about fat girls. But first of all, before we even get into that, I want to say that this is a dress from Boohoo because I know somebody's going to ask me. You can just search peach or pink bodycon dress. I got this in a size 14, and as you can see, you can definitely see through it, like, because here's my bra. Here's my titties, okay? So if you want to wear something under it, then that's up to you. I, on the other hand, do not care. They can get over it or not look, because it's not for them to be looking at. So that's another thing. And yes, this jacket, this mustard jacket, which I'll be wearing in one of my other videos, is something I got with it. This is in a size 14. And honestly, it's a little snug on my arms because I'm a fat girl with thick arms. So if you're a fat girl with skinny arms, I'm jealous of you and we're not friends. We are not friends if you're a fat girl with skinny arms. I wish I was one of those girls. I swear. Oh my God. So, yeah, this is size 14, and you know, still got the tag on it, but for real, I haven't worn it outside yet. So I don't like popping my tags until I actually wear this stuff outside. So that's it. So today I'm going to be talking about girls like me, big girls, or girls with a little pouch or something like that. So I know in popular culture and media, people are always talking about, oh, fat girls don't date, fat girls do this, fat girls don't, you know. But us fat girls, we know what it is. Okay, so we know what it is, and we know that there's definitely a heavy market for us, no pun intended. So, I truly think that the most success that has ever come with my plus size ladies was because I've always encouraged them not to cover up their belly in photos. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean, oh, you got to lift up your shirt and wear your belly out. But I mean confidently standing in photos with your stomach showing. This is exactly why I put all of my stomach. You can see it, or you can just see that I'm fat in all of my videos and photos and everything. Because honestly, it's never stopped anything. If anything, guys are definitely more attracted to me because they can tell that I'm clearly confident in how my body looks. So that confidence exudes sex appeal that's already there, and lets them know that you won't be coming near me with that fake trying to get an insecure big girl thing. So something I see a lot of big girls doing, or girls with pouches doing, is like covering their pouch, you know, or covering their bellies, or putting your hands in front of it or something, or hiding it. Don't do that, okay? Because first of all, that will attract the types that you guys try to avoid, which are the people who can be verbally abusive, manipulative, and prey on insecure people. So the reason why this is very important for my clients, and it's been successful with them finding very plus size clients, because I work with people up to like 400 pounds. The reason why, and up to like 6'3", I believe. The reason why it's important is because, and it's been successful for them, because it's like, it moves when I tell them not to do that, it actually improves their success with people approaching them confidently and correctly, because they can tell that they are confident against the norm or against the odds without them having to be convinced that they are beautiful. It just happens, you know, because they already know it themselves. So the person that wants to be a part of their lives reflect that they are attracted to them naturally. So, and the compliments, of course. But this is very, very, very important, because I know that a lot of coaches or people in general encourage you guys to hide your stomachs, or lose weight, or try to look as thin as possible, or anything like that. And honestly, everybody does not like skinny people, and that is all you need to know. You know, you also don't need to necessarily hide yourself, because you're always going to be there, you know. you want to show online and offline that you're confident about who you are and what you look like. Okay? And this is very important because while popular media is pushing the same types of surgeries and everything for everybody that is dating, I'll be the one to tell you that there's tons of women that come to me that also have BBLs, breast implants, butt shots, and all types of hip injections, all types of stuff, and they still run into the same issues that you will run into as a plus size girl. The only difference that I've actually seen are the ones who actually have connections with richer people before they even had the surgery, and they just treated them the same pretty much. Like, it never has been a dramatic difference between my clients who have not had surgery and my clients who have. So anybody who's telling you that, they're lying, and they probably never had a large slew of clients of different body types, because they're lying. It's not a dramatic difference between the dating culture of people who have surgery and people who don't. You know, it just, unless you are legit, just you've always been a sex worker, or you've always been a sugar baby or something like that, it does not change it. You know, and still there are big girls who are sex workers and do the same thing. So it's no difference. So you don't need it unless you want to get it. You don't actually need it. Now, if we're talking about getting further in your career, if you're working in the beauty industry, that may matter a little bit more. But as far as dating and getting the proper dates and getting somebody to treat you well, surgery does not necessarily make that happen. So I just had to clear that up because I feel like it's very, very important that people know. Also, I want you guys to make sure that you look happy and confident in yourself, because this is for anybody of any size. When you are dressed a certain way and you are looking like you're not that confident and not happy to be there, it's automatically read off your photos. And I've seen this with women of all sizes, where they look kind of bored in their photos, or they look like they're not comfortable with having a photo taken of them. So make sure you're checking your body language, because it's very important. Make sure you're happy. Make sure you're feeling confident. The things that you need to do, whether it's like doing your makeup a little bit extra that day, wearing something that flatters your body, or, you know, just feeling you just accomplished something. Just make sure that you're happy in the photos, because I feel like this is what's important more than the certain way that you're dressing, because you want to exude that confidence in your photos. Remember, people are looking at your photos and already imagining you on a date before they swipe to the next person, and that's how they make their decisions. It doesn't take 1, 2, 3 seconds even to make a decision. People are making a decision to swipe in less than 2 seconds. So you want to make that 2 seconds matter, and make sure you're getting the right options, because you look your best also, and you're standing out amongst the thousands of people that they may see over time. So that's what I wanted to talk about today, and I hope it helped you guys. You can hit me up on Actual Black Mermaid, comment, like, share, and subscribe, or whatever. And you can also hit me up on Imani Yvonne 2 on Twitter for sessions. Sessions are $95, and I will send you the rest of the details there. You can also see my success stories on both Twitter and Instagram. So, which it's a lot. So be prepared to read. So I will talk to you guys later. I love you guys, and thank you for watching.